Israeli researchers have created an entire 3D heart made entirely from human cells. Now, experts say it can revolutionize the medical industry. RT's Trinity Chavez has more on this just absolutely remarkable story. Trinity.
Israeli researchers have created a medical breakthrough. They've made a 3D heart made entirely of human tissue, calling it the world's first 3D heart of its kind. It's about the size of a rabbit's heart, too small to use in people, but the small organ is considered to be a big advance in the ongoing effort to find new treatment for heart disease, which is a leading cause of death in the United States. Until now, scientists in regenerative medicine have only been successful in printing simple tissues without blood vessels. But the researchers say they have engineered a heart that completely matches the cellular and anatomical properties of the patient. The lead researcher said that this is the first time anyone anywhere has successfully engineered and printed an entire heart replete with cells, blood vessels, ventricles, and chambers. People have managed to 3D print the structure of a heart in the past, but not with cells or blood vessels. Our results demonstrate the potential of our approach for engineering personalized tissue and organ replacement in the future. According to the CDC, heart disease remains the leading cause of death for both men and women. Heart transplant is currently the only good option for people with severe heart failure, but donor organs are in such short supply that about 610,000 people die of heart disease in the U.S. each year. That's 1 in every 4 deaths. So being able to 3D print a human heart when needed could potentially be life-saving. The lead researcher said in a statement, "We need to develop the printed heart further. The cells need to form a pumping ability. They can currently contract, but we need them to work together. Our hope is that we will succeed and prove our method's efficacy and usefulness. Maybe in 10 years, there will be organ printers in the finest hospitals around the world, and these procedures will be conducted routinely." Now, the researchers do say more research needs to be done, but they do, however, hope they can soon test the heart on animals. Reporting in New York, Trinity Chavez, RT.
Hey YouTube, thanks for checking out our channel. We hope you enjoyed the video. We have tons of content for you just like this. For more of RT America's one-of-a-kind news and analysis, be sure to subscribe and never stop questioning more.